Counting every second till the sun goes down. Heartbeats buzzing to the neon sound. Whoa.
Anak, ngayon isa ka ng Kristiyano, ganap na Kristiyano. Ituloy mo lang yung everyday at every night nating pagdarasal.
Let's go. Whoa. We're always dreaming. Technicolor love, like dancing in the deep end. Let's just soak it up. Come on, dive in. Let go.
What's meant for you will always arrive on time. So, nagintay po kami mag-asawa, nagdasal, nangarap din po kaming ilang beses na po kami matan ng binyag. Tapos ngayon, masaya po kami kasi kami na mismo yung nagpapabinyag.
They say with the kids of the indigo, like oh, whoa. Live for these moments like a perfect wave. Don't let the tide wash away these diamond days. Oh, oh, we're always dreaming. Endless summer rush, like dancing in the deep end. Let's just soak it up. Come on, dive in. Let go. Oh, come on, dive in. Let go. Oh, there's no second chances. Time won't wait for long. With reckless. La da da la la da 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 la da da da. I'm living my better days. I've been through heavy rain, the eye of the hurricanes, where I found my sunshine. Don't need no dollar bills. I love my.
Welcome to the Christian World Arken! Welcome to the Christian World Arken I love you, baby!
Welcome to the Christian World Arkenjan!
Yeah, I'm living my better days. Yeah, I'm living. Yeah, I'm living.
Welcome to the Christian World, anak. Ngayon, tunay ka ng Kristiyano. Wish ko sa'yo is lumaki kang mabuting bata, may takot sa Diyos, at mapagmahal sa kapwa. Ayun lang. We love you!
Only one way to grow. You've gotta let it go. See that silver lining? I got all that I need. Ain't no baggage underneath. Took my frown and turned it upside down. Now I'm singing like la da da la da 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 la da da da. Yeah, I'm living my better days. Yeah, I'm living. Yeah, I'm living. Yeah, I'm living my better days.
Sana, and I hope, talaga namang lalaki kang mabait at mabuti sa kapwa. At lagi mo lang tatandaan na habang lumalaki, dapat mapagmahal sa magulang, sa lahat ng kapamilya, at lalo na sa ibang tao.
Underneath, took my frown and turned it upside down. Now I'm feeling like la da da la da